Hi everybody, I'm Chef Barb with Be Sweet and Big Boi. I get a lot of questions about my mom's famous lumpia. I know that your mom and your Lola probably have their own recipe and their own filling. Today I'm not going to teach you how to make the filling. I'm going to teach you my mom's special way on how to roll it and how to do it quickly. So for those of you who don't know what lumpia is, it is a Filipino egg roll. It is rolled in a rice paper and filled with either ground pork, ground beef, ground chicken, or vegetable. It's rolled and it's either cut in a shorter piece like this or it's left long. You dip it in like a sweet and sour sauce and it's deep fried delicious. So if you've never made lumpia before, these are the things that you'll need. Again, we talked about everyone having their own special filling, and that's another video and I'll teach you how to make some different kinds. You'll need some rice wrappers, and they can be found at any Asian market. They come frozen, so you have to let them sit out a little bit because if you try to peel them apart, it makes it really tough. You'll need a little bowl of water, and then you'll have your special filling. And I'm sure you'll have one from your Lola, your mom's recipe. I've already put mine in a piping bag. And if you don't have a piping bag at home, I'm sure you have Ziplocs in your cupboard. I have a Ziploc bag here. Fill this with your filling, fold it in half, and you cut the corner, and it's used just like a piping bag, just like this. So now that you have all of your filling in your piping bag, we're gonna start rolling. You're gonna take your first paper and then you're gonna line it this way right on top of each other. You're gonna leave about a ½ inch for each layer. And it really makes it so much easier when you defrost these things. So now that you have them all lined up, and you can line them up by the hundreds, or here I have about 6 or 8 of them. You're gonna take your piping bag, you're going to put them on the edge. And you're gonna fill those ½ inch spaces that you left open. This is your last one. And once you've got all of your wrappers filled, you're gonna start from the bottom one and you're gonna start rolling. Just like this. And it's really important when you get to that last one that you take a couple fingers here and put a little bit of water in there, and that seals it. So that is your first lumpia. And then you go to the next one and you roll again and seal with water. Try to get it as tight as you can because I think the tighter the roll, for what my mom told me, the better it fries. So my mom used to do this by the hundreds. The great part about it is when she's making it, she makes really short lumpias, and so you get like 3 out of 1 big roll. And it's kind of fun to do it with family and friends around. One of my fondest memories is, well, not my fondest memory, when my dad passed away, all of my family came over and they were rolling lumpias because we were gonna do my dad's memorial and have one of his favorite foods there, which was the lumpia Shanghai. So again, you can see how fast we can do this instead of filling each and every one and trying to roll it. Now that you've got all your lumpias rolled out, whether you've rolled 100 or you've rolled about 12 of them, you can take one of your Ziploc freezer bags and place them all in here. And once they're frozen, you can cut them up into the little rolls, or you can fry them whole like this and have really long, delicious deep fried lumpias. But if you put it in the Ziploc bag, the freezer Ziploc bag, you can keep it to about 3 months in the freezer. But that's the way my mom rolled. So I'm lucky enough to have a deep fryer at the restaurant at Big Boi. But I know if you don't have one, you can definitely fry these at home. So take one of your deep pots, fill it with oil, and get it really hot. You'll start to see it bubble a little bit. And you'll cut your lumpias, or if you want to leave them as long as we've made them, you can fry it like that as well. It'll fry for about, I would say, 5 to 8 minutes until it's golden brown. They'll actually start to float up. And once they're done, you can lay them on a paper towel to just get a little bit of the oil off. So since I'm lucky enough to have my restaurant nearby, I'm gonna send you over to my team and show you how we fry it over at Big Boi. So that is how we do lumpia at Big Boi, and it is my mom approved. So you can have it two different ways. You can have it with sweet chili sauce or our house-made spicy vinegar. I like them both ways. I'll start with sweet chili sauce. Good. Thanks for spending time with me today and learning how to roll lumpia my mom's way. To learn more about Big Boi, please click on the links below and follow me on my Instagram at mybsweet and go Big Boi. I'll see you soon. Salamat.